हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अपना प्यार। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट मिरर्स। तो मिरर कितने टाइप्स के होते हैं? तो मिरर दो टाइप्स के होते हैं। एक तो होता है प्लेन मिरर और एक तो होता है स्फेरिकल मिरर या फिर कर्व मिरर। फ्रेंड्स, प्लेन मिरर ये होता है, आप देख सकते हैं ये एक प्लेन मिरर है। और मेरे पास स्फेरिकल मिरर में दो ऑप्शन आते हैं। एक तो है कॉन्वेक्स मिरर, ये देखिए ये है कॉन्वेक्स मिरर, और ये रहा कॉनकेव मिरर, ये रहा कॉनकेव मिरर। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम इससे एक्सपेरिमेंट करके देखेंगे। उससे पहले
In concave mirror, the size is enlarged.
In convex mirror, the size is small and also the image is erect. Real image is an image that can be formed on screen. Virtual image is an image that can't be formed on screen.
friends, you can see there is a white paper screen, here is a candle, and here is a mirror. So let's start the experiment. So friends, first we have to light up the candle. So I will use matchstick to light up the candle. Let's light up. Friends, you can see the matchstick is lighting up, and now friends, what we have to do is, now friends, turn off all the lights. I have turned off all the lights on the screen. Now friends, now I am using this. Now friends, you can see this is a concave mirror. This is the mirror. Now let's apply this. Let's see what happened. Turn off the light. Here. Friends, you can see the image. Friends, see that. This is the image of candle, and you can see that it is inverted, and this image is real image because it is formed on screen. This is the image of candle, a real image of candle. You can see. I am blowing up and the candle is this was the concave lens. Now we will try this experiment with the help of convex mirror that is optically true. You can see, and this is now friends, let's start the experiment. Now friends, you can see the object is the candle image is not forming on the screen, means this is a virtual image. Now I'm telling you why this is a virtual image. This is the concave mirror. You can see the image is forming on the lens. You can see. Let me just focus. The image is small and it is erect. Now friends, you can see clearly the image is forming on the lens. So that is why it is called virtual image, because it is forming behind, but it is not behind it is forming on the mirror. So we called it as a virtual. I think that you understand this experiment. Friends, if you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button, share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Bye.